So to create a new product, I'm going to log into the store open interface. Let's click on enter. The red is just telling me that I'm in as a course merchant super admin. Normally that would be blue, but basically pop along products over here on the left hand side, and you have a fairly extensive product table already. I can edit any of these existing products that exist, or I can create a default product. That will create a product based upon the current default, which is just an existing product that's been set as a default. Or I can add an empty, brand new empty product, or I can copy one. So I might take any one of these products, this one at the top for example, and I might copy it by clicking on copy selected. I think for now I'm going to create a brand new empty product, so let's click on there, and I'm going to call this delete me test, so I can delete it a little bit later on. Unique product code is required, and I'm just going to leave the code that the system has given me because that will be unique. Product subtitle you could pop in if you wanted to. So for example, you might have Health and Safety 101 being the product name, Module 1 being the subtitle, and then Health and Safety 101 Module 2 perhaps being the subtitle. It's just a little bit of extra title text that can flow through the system. Ignore date entered, that will be automated, whether or not it's active. I think I'll set it to no, so that this particular product doesn't appear in your live catalogue. Showing catalogue product listings, so when you create a product it doesn't have to be listed there. Is a store product, leave that set as checked for now. Basically you can have products that are, for example, consulting type products where you want to put information in the store but you don't want to allow somebody to actually buy it. Probably ignore force buy it now. It's just slight changes the checkout routine very slightly. Probably not something you need to do. Is a free enrollment product. Check that if you want to allow a shortened free to register workflow. Description, pop some product course description in there. You've got a little WYSIWYG HTML editor. You've got a description 2 as well, and you've also got a description 3. Frankly, the best thing to do is to tap some stuff into these and see where they come out. Keywords, meta keywords, that'll appear. Similarly, meta title. Let's pop something in there. There we go. And again, some description, some images that you can put in. There's a carousel that's been inserted into your product, and that can pull in a feed of a different product that rotates around within the carousel. There's one for the footer as well. I don't believe all your products use those. Shipping units for physical goods, duration for us to pass through to the Moodle, tells Moodle when to unenroll the learner. Minimum and maximum order quantity and inventory. I don't think really have been used on your system, but you can set the number of seats in the course. Some bits and pieces here, allowing invoice, requiring verification. Just change some of the bits and pieces that occur at the point of product checkout, whether or not to allow somebody to pay by invoice, for example, and whether or not the order requires some level of approval. These are some custom attributes we set on your store. So the date might be, I don't know, 12th of March, something like that. Start date might be something else. That can be used for display order. So 2018 March 12, something like that. Duration, so it's a 3-month product course. Location, maybe London. Status, let's call it a not webinar, a online. Type, again, I'm not exactly sure what how these are used by the store. Your particular store, obviously you can put whatever data you want into those. So let's just put some blurb in there, in those. Product access length, 3 months, etc. Course inquiries, please email soon. Pricing, multi quantity bands there. Yeah, early bird is not currently enabled on your store, but let's put 500. Tax, finance codes which pass through WPM. Let's call this J. So J123. This is a minor customization we made for UCL, just to tell somebody that their particular product has been purchased. Okay. Related products, so that they can appear in the product description page, as you know, products you may also be interested in. Enable or disable member discount. The important bit really, categorizing it within the store. So let's put this into information studies, and this is the bit where we link it to the Moodle course. So this is a live list of courses within the Moodle. So maybe this is cognitive behavioral therapy. Click on add, and now if anybody buys this particular product, they will be enrolled on this particular course. You can add more, so maybe A-level maths as well. So now if I buy this product, I'm going to be enrolled upon 2, and let's buy another one, glaucoma. So you can keep going as long as you require, and now I'll be added on to all 3. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it active just for a couple of moments, just so you can see it. Click on save, and just find it. There it is there. Let's just view it, and that's what it looks like in your store. Various bits and pieces, blurb 2. I didn't bother to put anything specific in there, but that you can see it's in a 2-column table there, just image that's been defaulted to, and I think I'm just going to inactivate that. So there we go. Click on save, and if I go back to the product and refresh it, it's gone. So that's now inactive. So very quick introduction to creating a product in Store Admin, and to finish off, I'm going to delete it. So let's select Delete Me Test, delete selected, off he goes. That's it. That one is gone, and I'll stop at this point.